Alright, just to give everybody an idea, there's Dylan and Fiona, alright? Looks like we're out on the beach, you know, not too far from shore. But watch, as we rotate and spin around and look, I can't even see where we're sitting. We're so far out because it's dead low, which is actually at 2:30 today. But so here we are again. Dylan is being a good brother by pulling Fiona around on a float. And she's crying like a little, she can't handle this. It's deep water. Oh, wow. Are you all right, child? Are you all right, little one? We are live, people. Yeah.
There are no more islands.
We ran out of islands.
I feel like I'm on sand.
Look at the size of these waves. They're ginormous. They got to be 4 feet, 5 feet tall.
I'm gonna fall and die.
Dad, come here. Spider crab.
Give me away! Give me away!
Let me see. Hold on.
It might still be alive. Oh my god, it's eating another crab.
Give me away!
It's eating another crab.
Yep,
Look,
it is.
It's eating another crab.
Get me away!
That evil monster. That's so sad. Poor crab. Oh, it's over. It's still there. It's still alive. You scared it away.
Yay!
You saved another crab.
Let's
Just like
go.
yesterday. Get on.
I'm not getting bit.
Yesterday we saved a spider
I'm
crab.
not
Is he
getting
coming back?
bit in the crab.
He's coming back. Let's go backwards and see if he comes back.
Look, let's go backwards.
I'm not getting bit
There.
in the foot.
Oh, thanks for that. Okay, you can sit on it. Come on.
All right, let's sign off.
Bye.
What?
Bye.
Bye! Forever!
Goodbye.
He's gonna